Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of the Indonesian dish from Java Island called botok tahu telur asin, which is steamed tofu and salted egg in the banana leaf. And this is very yummy and perfect to serve with rice. So let's get started. First, I would like to introduce you to all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Here I have banana leaves to cover the dish later, fresh one. And also I'm using a lemon basil. Smells so good. In Indonesia, we call it kemangi. And here is the salted egg. So this is an uncooked salted egg. And I have some here I already separate earlier, which is later I'm going to use 8 pieces of the salted egg yolk and 3 salted egg white. I also using Bali hot pepper. If you don't like spicy, you can change it into big red chili. And here I have garlic, candle nut, green tomato, shallot, tofu, salam leaves, coconut milk, boyong powder, sea salt, sugar, white peppercorn. So let's make it. First, I'm going to prepare the steamer first. And next, let's blend it the shallot, garlic, candle nut, and white peppercorn. I will cut the shallot and garlic into small pieces first. White peppercorn. I add a little bit of the coconut milk to smoothen the paste. Blend it smooth. Let's put it aside. And now I'm going to slice the chilies and green tomato. The green tomato will add slightly sourness to the botok later. The chili, I will cut it into one chili into 3 pieces. So it's a quite big chunk. For the lemon basil, I'm not using the big stem, so I just take the leaves and the soft stem. I really love the smell of the lemon basil. It's really lemony and tastes very good too. We use a lot in the Indonesian cuisine. Let's put it aside, and next let's prepare the tofu. So add the tofu into the bowl, and I'm going to mash it first. Add the rest of the coconut milk, salt, sugar, boyong powder, salted egg white, then mix well until all well combined. And now let's add the paste that we made earlier. Oh, smells so good. Mix well. Now let's put it into the banana leaf. I have 2 pieces banana leaf here, around 20 cm wide. And I'm going to show you how I put it the tofu and salted egg in the banana leaf. First, I add salam leaf, some lemon basil, tofu mixture, 1 salted egg yolk, top with the tofu mixture, some green tomato, chilies, and lemon basil. Squeeze here and fold. I squeezed already earlier, then fold, fold, fold. And here is the small banana leaf I prepared. Cover it like this, using thin bamboo skewer to secure. Here we go. Let's put it aside first until all cover in the banana leaf. I'm going to show you one more time. 2 pieces banana leaf, salam leaf, lemon basil, tofu mixture, 1 salted egg yolk, top with the tofu mixture, some green tomato, some chilies, lemon basil, squeeze here, then fold. I squeeze here earlier, then fold. Cover with the small banana leaf, then secure with the thin bamboo skewer. Then put it aside. So the steamer is ready. Let's steam it. I steam the botok for 30 minutes under the high heat. See you soon! So it's been 30 minutes and the botok is ready. Just turn off the cooker. So now let's open it. Look at this. So yummy. Let's try. So yummy. So here we are, botok tahu telur asin. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also I'm ready with the online cooking class as well. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And if you like my video, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up so I can produce more video in the future. I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking, bye bye.